Hi, it's Murray here from Freedom Retractable Screens, Australia's leading retractable fly screen. People often ask us, where is this product made? Well, actually it's made in our factory in the Gold Coast, right here in Queensland. We distribute throughout Australia via our network of qualified dealers, and our product is actually exported to 10 countries around the world now. So you've got a local brand with local presence, local support, with international demand. So Freedom makes Freedom Screens your choice for retractable fly screens. Remember, people ask us also, where can I fit this? Can I fit it on my house? Short answer, absolutely. We specialize in retrofitting, and if you've got a little French door, a normal patio door, bifold door, stacker door, we basically put it on the inside of your bifold door and the inside of your stacker door and the other side of where it folds or where the activity is. Our products can go 6.5 meters in a single or 13 in a double, so no job is too big or too small for us. We can recess the track, we can put our slimline track on, so we can fit it into your space. Freedom, the #1 brand in Australia.